dated Thursday, 26 September 2024, and received on Friday, 27 September 2024, from the member for KIBWEZI West, the Honorable MWENGI MUTUSE MP. The Honorable member seeks a resolution of the House for the removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Gachagua, EGH, as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Honorable members at the bar, take the nearest seats. The nearest, Clive. Yusuf, the nearest seat. Okay. Honorable members, Article 150B, 1B of the Constitution provides as follows, and I quote, "The Deputy President may be removed from office on impeachment, 1, on the ground of a gross violation of a provision of this Constitution or any other law, 2, where there are serious reasons to believe that the Deputy President has committed 1B of the Constitution and sets out the particulars in respect of each ground." Honorable members, the special motion before the House presents an unprecedented constitutional moment in our democracy. Without doubt, it summons this House to test for the first time under the 2010 Constitution the provisions of our Constitution relating to the removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy President. It will be recalled that during the term of the 6th Parliament, on 27th April 1989, the then member for Embakasi, the Honorable David Mwengi, successfully moved the House to pass a vote of no confidence in the then Vice President and Minister for Home Affairs, the Honorable Josephat Karanja. The motion received an affirmative resolution of the House. Honorable members, it's instructive to note that upon the promulgation of the new Constitution of Kenya in August 2010, the then office of the Vice President assumed a new clothing as the office of the Deputy President. These new clothes of the special motion by the member for KIBWEZI West. Honorable members, Standing Order 64.2, relating to removal by impeachment, requires the Speaker to dispose of a special motion within 3 days of receipt of notice by a member. Standing Order 64.2 as read in the light of Articles 259 requirements relating to the processing a special motion for removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy President. Members at the bar, take the nearest seats. Take the nearest seats. Honorable, take your nearest seats. Order. 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 Article 152 of the Constitution provides that the provisions of Article 145 of the Constitution shall apply national or international law or for gross misconduct. Procedurally, Standing Order 64.1 provides that before giving notice of a motion under Article 150 of the Constitution, a member shall deliver